Myself, my name is sholihah ningrum. I'm from Stikes General Ahmad Yani Cimahi. I'm from grade 3. Now, I will explain how to create a LinkedIn account on Android phone. Let's start now.
You can search LinkedIn application. Next, download the application in a few minutes. After the download the application, back to home screen, open application. Okay, you can join with Google or join now with a new email. I just join with Google. Why? Because I have already Google account. If you don't have Google account, you can choose join now. Next. Okay. Enter your password. Clear the captcha. Okay. Next, adding more detail to your profile. First, fill the name of your college, degree, and start your study in campus and graduation years. Degree, spesialisasi, start year study in campus and graduation year. Next your location, you can choose your country and postal code. Okay, you set your photo in Google account and save. Next, you can add contact in LinkedIn and you can synchronize my contact. Finish. Finally, you can already use LinkedIn account.